Hey guys, welcome back to Team DTV, and today we are here at the SMX Convention Center for the Isuzu Truck Fest 2025. What we have here today is Centro's 10-foot utility van mounted on Isuzu Travis. Ang haba, tsaka malapad. Tara, silipin natin.
Itong utility van na gawa ng Centro ay 10 feet ang haba. It's a multi-purpose usage na pwede pang cargo at pang negosyo. Pwede rin pang service, shuttle para sa mga employees, or pang pasahero. Pagdating sa kargahan, sa haba nitong 10 feet, ang total cubic meter volume niya is 6.19. Ganun kalaki. Kung gagawing pampasahero, pwede dito maglagay ng foldable bench type seats na kayang magsakay ng 16 passengers. Wala nga lang naka-install dito sa model unit natin. Laminated headlining, meron na ring grab handle, and then corrugated flooring. Ibig sabihin matibay. At isa sa pinakagusto ko yung smooth sliding window, madaling i-lock and unlock. At meron ding plastic protection na parang bed liner dito sa dulo. May logo pa ng Travis at Centro.
Kapag naririnig natin ang pangalan na Centro, ang unang-unang pumapasok sa isip natin yung Isuzu Travis utility van, di ba? Alam nyo ba, si Centro, meron ding fuel tanker na ganyang kalaki. Tara, silipin natin.
This particular fuel tank is designed for the Isuzu FXM. With its 20 kiloliters capacity, it is just enough to fuel up your business. Ang maganda dito, this tank has 6 compartments. Yes, 6 separate compartments, meaning pwede kang magkarga ng different types of fuels. Isang biyahe na lang to multiple gas stations. The tank is divided in 6 different capacities, 6, 4, 2, 2, and 4 kiloliters. So, for example, pwede kang magkarga ng 6 kiloliters of diesel sa isang compartment, and then 4 kiloliters naman ng halimbawa ng gas sa kabila, or kerosene naman sa iba pang compartments. Depende sa demand ng clients mo. Very flexible, di ba? By the way, may folding railing sa gilid para may hawakan yung tao nyo na aakyat sa ibabaw ng tangke. Also, kapag ganitong may mga compartments, it reduces the risk of the fuel gaining momentum when going around the bends. By containing the load in smaller packages, it reduces the risk of the tanker rolling over. Ito, isa pa. The tank is made of carbon steel, Q235B, with approximately 5.5 millimeters of thickness. Subok na ang carbon steel sa Philippine market.
Alright, that's it guys. For more information, please visit their website, centromanufacturing.com. You can also contact them via their Facebook page, Centro Manufacturing. Ilalagay ko po yung links dyan sa description box. Thank you for watching. Drive safe. Bye.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.